This early, the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, is making sure the 2025 midterm polls go smoothly as possible. The poll body has come up with the guidelines for the filing of certificates of candidacy, or COC, which it says will be implemented more strictly. Luisa Erispe has more.
In a month, national candidates running for the 2025 elections will put themselves on the spotlight and pursue for respective positions in the government. This is because from October 1 to 8, the Commission on Elections will open the filing of certificate of candidacies. But to ensure a smooth process, the COMELEC released tightened guidelines for the said schedule of events. Based on the resolution number 11046 released by the Commission, cancellation of COCs can now be easier decided upon by the Commission once a candidate is believed to be falsifying information. And for the COMELEC to investigate as such, a petition shall be filed by a registered voter. The COMELEC also released the guidelines in declaring a nuisance candidate. The COMELEC indicated that an individual may be declared a nuisance if he or she is proven to mock the elections, cause confusion, and has no real intentions to seriously run for office in the elections. And COMELEC may also disqualify a candidate if he or she is not qualified or hasn't filed a SOSE in the last 2 years. A candidate may also be disqualified if he or she was proven guilty before a court of law. The COMELEC also tightened its rules on substitution, indicating it will only be allowed from October 1 to 8. COMELEC may only accept substitution beyond the given date if the original candidate was declared dead or incapacitated. The COMELEC said in the upcoming elections, a petition is needed for the poll body to disqualify, cancel, and declare a nuisance candidate, so they will be posting the COCs publicly on their websites so the petitioners could easily check and determine false claims of candidates.
Nakalagay din sa guidelines natin. Lahat ng certificates of candidacies ay amin pong ilalahad sa ating publiko. Lalagay po namin sa COMELEC website. Sa certificate of candidacy na kanilang pipilapan, mayroon na pong commitment sila na pinapayagan nila ang COMELEC na ilabas sa publiko ang content ng kanilang certificates of candidacies.
Aside from the candidates for the 2025 elections, COMELEC has also tightened its rules for political parties. From 5, the COMELEC said it will ask for 10 names of nominee per party list. The new substitution rule will also apply for all parties. Meanwhile, aside from the preparation for the 2025 elections, COMELEC is also preparing for a plebiscite to be held tomorrow in Barangay Bagong Silang, Caloocan City. And they sought the approval of Malacanang for the help of law enforcement agencies to ensure peace throughout the plebiscite.
Yan po naman ay ang purpose natin is to ensure that there will be peace and order in the conduct of the plebiscite, and sa mga susunod po na mga halalan, laging dapat nagagamit natin ang AFP at PNP para naman siguraduhin na magiging maayos ang pagboto ng mga kababayan natin.
Recently, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. approved the request of COMELEC and gave the order to let the Commission deputize the PNP, AFP, PCG, and other law enforcement agencies for tomorrow's plebiscite. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.